बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। यूट्यूब चैनल पर तारिक मतीन आपको खुश आमदीद कहता है। और आप जो देख रहे हैं ये है गवादर पोर्ट। और गवादर पोर्ट पर इस वक्त आपको जो ये ट्रक्स नज़र आ रहे हैं ये यहाँ पर LNG कंटेनर्स हैं, LNG ट्रक्स हैं जिन्हें अभी यहाँ पर 2 रोज़ पहले लाया गया है। पाकिस्तान के एनर्जी क्राइसिस को रिजॉल्व करने में गवादर का अपना एक रोल है। और सिर्फ यही नहीं, ये जो आप साथ में ट्रक्स देख रहे हैं पीछे लाल रंग के, ये अब से पहले होता था जबले अली फ्री जोन के पास, दुबई के पास, और ये सारा ट्रेड वहाँ था। लेकिन अब ये डॉलर्स, ये ट्रेड पाकिस्तान आ रहा है। और मैं इस वक्त यहाँ मौजूद हूँ इसलिए कि कल यहाँ वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान इमरान खान साहब जो है वो इसके फेज़ 2 का इफ्तिताह करने जा रहे हैं। और उस इफ्तिताह के मौके पर वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान जिस चीज़ के लिए ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग के लिए यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं, उस ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग में शामिल है अब तक ये टोटल 60 एकड़ का एरिया था जिसे डेवलप किया गया। मगर अब वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान जिसके लिए आ रहे हैं वो है 2200 एकड़। और ये एक प्रोपेगेंडा है गवादर के हवाले से बैरूनी सतह पर भी और अंदरूनी सतह पर भी कि इसका पेस कम हुआ है। इसका रद्द दलील इसकी यह है कि अगर आप ये समझते हैं कि ये पेस इस प्रोजेक्ट का कम हुआ है तो बैरूनी सतह पर प्रोपेगेंडा करने वालों को जवाब यह है कि कंपैरिजन किससे है। सी पैक के मुकाबले में कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है जिससे कंपैरिजन करते हुए कहा जाए कि इसका पेस स्लो है। और अगर आप बात करें मौजूदा हुकूमत के खिलाफ महाजारा ऑपोजिशन की, तो उस ऑपोजिशन के इस सवाल के जवाब में कि सी पैक का पेस स्लो हुआ है, जवाब यह है कि वो प्रोजेक्ट्स सी पैक अथॉरिटी के मुताबिक जिन्हें गुज़श्ता हुकूमत ने 15% पर छोड़ा था, अब वो 80% तक मुकम्मल हो चुके हैं। तो तकरीबन 65% काम आगे बढ़ा है। यहाँ पर 3 बर्ड्स काम कर रही हैं, 44 बर्ड्स यहाँ पर बन रही हैं। ये इस हुकूमत ने किया है। जिस जगह हम मौजूद हैं इस जगह अब से कुछ अर्सा पहले तक जहां पर चाइना बिजनेस सेंटर है, पानी मौजूद था। और 6 महीने से कम वक्त में, 5 महीने 16 दिन में यहां एक आलीशान इमारत मौजूद है जो चीनियों ने कंस्ट्रक्ट की। और यहां पर लोकल्स को 3000 से जायद रोजगार के मौके फौरी तौर पर मैसर आए हैं। इस सिलसिले में अगर आप मजीद जानना चाहते हैं तो इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट को हेड कर रहे हैं मिस्टर जैंग, जो इस फ्री जोन अथॉरिटी को, गवादर पोर्ट को हेड कर रहे हैं। और उन्हें लोकल्स उनके पाकिस्तानी शलवार कमीज में मौजूद हुलिये की बिना पर लोकल बलोची कहते हैं, चाइनीज बलोची कहते हैं। ये उनसे मोहब्बत का इजहार है। मजीद जानिए आप इस इंटरव्यू में। मिसेस एंड टेल अस what is the current condition of this port right now and what do we see in 5 years?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for visiting Gwadar. And seeing is better than believing. You see what is happening in the site. And as a matter of fact, we are receiving cargoes on every day with Afghanistan transit cargo, LPG, and many other construction materials from the international, from world. And many of the Pakistani products like seafood, like marbles are also exporting from Gwadar port. We're really grateful for the government support, for the local government support, especially from the local people, that we work together and make this port from nothing now it's come full of confidence and has a big potential of economic benefit. Now what we see, you see this is the port, and now we have 3 berths, and these three berths can accommodate 2 vessels with a capacity of 20,000 metric tons simultaneously.
Okay.
And just the day before yesterday, we received LPG cargo. You can from the bulldozers over there, and within one night we discharged about 5,000 LPG, 5,000 metric tons of LPG because of the VIP visit. So we have already discharged all the vessels. And now you see this red truck. They are Afghanistan transit cargo, DAP.
This is Afghan transit trade trucks.
Afghanistan transit cargo, DAP fertilizer.
Okay.
We receive them bi-weekly basis. And also the day after tomorrow, we are receiving a weekly container, which the majority of the cargo are for the construction, for trading, etc. With the strong support of the government and with the hard work, input, especially from our local brothers, now this city has get a lot of attentions, and now we are proud that the port is fully operational and with safety, efficiency, and quick clearance. And as what I mentioned, that as per the demand of the logistic, we are going to expand the port, inshallah, by next year. And
I love this, inshallah.
Another two dedicated boats, one LPG, one for LPG, LNG, and one for bulk cargo will develop. So for the time being, it is only 602 meters, the coastline, and we are expecting within 10 years it will be as much as 4,800 meters.
4,800 meters.
Yeah, it was more
in
than
10 years' time.
Yeah, it with around 30 or 40 persons. And by that time, this port will be really the logistic.
In comparison to the ports in the region, what is the size of this port? What is the capability of this port?
We have a plan that to develop this port as one of the most important logistic hub, not only in Pakistan but in South Asia, even worldwide. So you must foresee that with 40 berths in Gwodarr, then a lot of cargoes to Asia, South Asia country, to Middle East, to Middle Asia countries, to China, western part, will process through this port.
Great. Tomorrow we are going to have our Prime Minister Imran Khan over here. What does that occasion mean for the Gawad, for Pakistan, and for CPAC?
Special thanks to Honorable Prime Minister, and Gawad is in his heart, always give us support and have a big expectation on Gwadar port development. And we want to assure Honorable Prime Minister that he will not be disappointed, and we will try our best to meet his expectations and to develop Gwadar as a new economic hub in this region, and so that Pakistan economy, especially Balochistan economy, can benefit from the port development.
Okay, two more questions.
Please, sir.
Are you satisfied with the pace of the work in, let's say, last 5 years, 3 years, with the pace of the work after the creation of this government? Are you satisfied with the pace of the work?
Sure, sir. And we take Pakistani, especially Gwadar, as my own home. This post is the longest post I have been served for in my life.
Okay.
And I really love the local people. And I always take a shower kameez. They named me as Mr. Balochi.
Mr. Balochi.
Yeah. And we are working together like families. And the local people are so hardworking and so lovely, and they are peace-loving people. But because of many reasons that this place is not developed as it should be, water is a problem, power is a problem, health is a problem, education is a problem. Yes, it is true. And what we are trying to do, that we will join hands with our local brothers, with the support from Chinese government and Chinese people. We will develop Gwadar as any cities in the world. And I believe that, and it's my confidence that this target will be realized. And the Gwadar people, Balochistan people deserve the good life like any of us who live in Beijing, Shanghai, Islamabad, Washington, New York, Paris.
If you are comfortable in answering this question, is the Chinese government in recent years unhappy with the progress on Gawada?
You know that I myself have been here, working here for about 5 years, more than 5 years. And when I visited Gwadar in 2016, by that time, it's really a city of dying. No any movement, no any business activity. And when by that time, even I don't have my own rooms. I have to stay in PC Hotel by that time. But the PC Hotel by the time is almost closed. I have to call the honorable manager, please keep one room open, and I will stay there for about 1 week or 2 weeks. And by that time, there's only one flight from Karachi to Gwadar, which means once you visit Gwadar, you have to stay here for 2 weeks. Even by that time, there's no telephone connection, don't mention about the internet. And now you can see what is the difference with a lot of new villas, with frequent visitors, a lot of tourists come here. I myself is proud of the achievement that we have made, and this is the input from all the people, including our local brothers, of course, including Chinese government contribution and Chinese people, Chinese workers here. You see, we're really grateful that the Chinese government have donated more than $5 billion project here in Gwadar to support the electricity with the 300 mega power plant, with a new international airport, and this new international airport is a totally grant with a cost of more than $230 billion. So $230 billion, and the East Bay Expressway, Vocational Training Institute, 300-bed hospital. All these projects are not loan. They are granted projects. They are gift from the Chinese government. And also, I'm happy to report to you that tomorrow, maybe some more social benefit project like water, like power, also will be agreement. Will also be signed. From this action, you can clearly understand Chinese government, Chinese people, our local brothers, federal government never lose the confidence of the future of Gwadar. And we believe Gwadar has a bigger future. This place must be a new economic hub of this region, and this is the fruit of China-Pakistan friendship.
So from myself, from the people of Pakistan, what I would like to say in the end is Pak-Chin Dosti Zindabad. Long live Pak-China friendship. CPAC Zindabad. Long live CPAC.
I'm honored to work for Gwadar. I'm honored to work for Pakistan. I'm honored to promote our brotherly relationship. Long live Pakistan-China friendship.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.